Welcome to the last video in the step-by-step guide for Apglos Survey Wizard. This video will cover exporting data. To export data, click the file icon on the black ribbon and then hit the third option, Save. Ensure that your coordinate system matches and that you're collecting in the correct units. And then navigate to File Type. Apglos Survey Wizard does provide a wide variety of files to save to, but a good one for beginners to know is the first, and that's .agl. This is proprietary Apglos file format, which means that it is the best format to continue projects inside of Apglos Survey Wizard. If you have a multiple day project, it would behoove you to save your data each day inside of AGL so that you can continue the next. Now, say that you're ready to export your data for your deliverable, and this deliverable is going to be happening inside of AutoCAD. In that case, you'd like to save to the DXF file format, which is the non-proprietary CAD file format. So let's go ahead and click the file format option and save as a DXF file to our device's local storage. And here we're just going to double check the settings. We want to make sure that this is 3D, our units are correct, and then these two switches will allow us to pass over accuracy values and object IDs to our points once they're opened up inside of that CAD program. The last export option I'd really like to draw some attention to is the PDF export. We're going to follow the same steps as DXF, except we're going to choose the PDF file format. I'm going to go down and change from complete drawing to technical drawing. We're going to see some new fields pop up, and this is going to allow us to customize the scaled drawing that is output by Apglos Survey Wizard and into that PDF. First, let's pick our page size. After that, the next two options will allow us to include labels for line lengths and areas. After that, we can put the name of our company, a logo that's saved locally, as well as our address, zip code, city, the name of the project, the name of the map, the name of the file, and finally the contact information. While that concludes the file export portion of this step-by-step series, I'd implore you to explore other format options for exporting out of Apglos, as they have many. If you are looking for guidance on how to build a workflow out of Apglos Survey Wizard and the Bad Elf Flex GPS receiver, don't hesitate to get in contact with get@bad-elf.com for next steps. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. This has been Chris the Bad Elf.